So here is the practice quiz for 8.1 to 8.3. Consider the sequence 20, 10, 5, 2.5. Is this sequence arithmetic, geometric, or neither? Arithmetic means it would have a common difference. Geometric would mean it would have a common ratio. So let's see. I'm going to first check for constant difference. 10 minus 20 is negative 10. And 5 minus 10 is negative 5. So it does not have a constant difference. Constant ratio, I'm going to do 10 divided by 20. I get 0.5. I'm going to do 5 divided by 10. I also get 0.5. And if I do 2.5 divided by 5, I also get 0.5. So it has a constant ratio, so it's geometric. Find the exact value of the 8th term of the sequence. I know that my constant ratio is 0.5, and I know my first term. So g sub n is the first term, 20, times 0.5. Now, since this is the first term, this would be to the n minus 1. So g sub 8 is 20 times 0.5 to the 7, because 8 minus 1 is 7. So I'm going to go to my calculator. 20 times 0.5 to the 7th. And I get 0.15625. If I had wanted to do it recursively, I could have said, okay, I've got 20 times 0.5, get 10 times 0.5, I get 5. Then the 2.5, that's the 4th term. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and there's my 8th term. Could have done it that way as well. Consider this sequence. Is it arithmetic, geometric, or neither? Let's first look for a constant difference. 2 minus 9 is negative 7. Negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7. Negative 12 minus negative 5 is negative 7. So I have a constant difference, so it's arithmetic. Find the 12th term. Well, the first term is 9, and I'm subtracting 7 n minus 1 times. So to find the 12th term, 9 minus 7 times 12 minus 1 is 11. Put that in my calculator, and I get negative 68. Give the first 3 terms of this sequence. Under the first term is negative 2. It says take the previous term and add 11. So I can use my calculator. Negative 2 plus 11. I get 9. Add 11. And I get 20. Give the first 3 terms of this sequence. I can see that the first term, because this is to the n minus 1, this must be the first term. So the first term is 3. And I'm supposed to multiply by 0.6. So 3 times 0.6 be 1.8 times 0.6, 1.08. This is write the recursive formula for this sequence. A sub 1 is 3, and a sub n is the previous term times 0.6. Okay. All right. Just 2 more problems. Number 5. Give an explicit formula for this sequence. The first term is 4. And I'm adding 9 to the previous term, so I'd add it n minus 1 times. Number 5. What term is 1,685 in the arithmetic sequence. They're telling me it's arithmetic, so it has a constant difference. 5, 8, 11, 1685, keeps going. I don't want to know. A lot of people misunderstand this question, and they think it's asking for the 1685th term. That is not what it's asking. What it's asking is what term number. This is a to the what is the subscript. Well, let's see. A sub n is equal to 5 plus 3. I can tell that my constant difference is 3 times n minus 1. I want to know what n is. I know that the term is 1685. The 1685 is not n, it's the a sub n. 1685 equals 5 plus 3 times n minus 1. I want to figure out what n is. So 1685 equals 5 plus 3n minus 3. Come over to here. 1685 equals, 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 plus 3n. I'm going to subtract 2. 1683, equals 3n. Divide both sides by 3. Use my calculator, 1683 divided by 3, and I get 561. So it's the 561st term.